Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Renault Trafic owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Renault Trafic models from 2015 to 2017. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, stick around, this one's for you. And that's it for today's guide on the Renault Trafic 2015 to 2017 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Renault DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered fuse-related issues in your Renault Trafic? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.